Peace family, so these are the herbs that I use for my menstrual cycle. These herbs, they help reduce the days of my menstrual cycle. It also lightens my period from, if it's heavy flow, it reduces to a very, very light menstrual cycle to barely any blood on the sanitary napkin. So these herbs are Santa Maria, anti-inflammatory, treats diarrhea, abdominal pain, respiratory infections, and is also good for skin disease. Ginger, the next one up, helps with nausea. It helps relieving pain. It also helps controlling heavy bleeding. The next one up is red raspberry leaf. It helps with hormonal imbalance, reduces menstrual cramps, lighten periods, reduce spotting. The next one up is fennel seeds. Fennel seeds is an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal. Is rich in vitamin C, E, K. Is good in fiber, potassium, calcium, bad breath, promotes the next one up we have is shepherd's purse. It's great for heavy bleeding, excessive bleeding. Is an astringent herb, reduce blood loss. Next one, I love shepherd's purse. Shepherd's purse, when I smell it, for some reason, it puts me in the mind of collard greens. Moving forward, okay. The next one we have is yarrow. It's an astringent herb. It helps balance fluids. Yarrow also helps with cramps. It helps to regulate your menstrual cycle. The next herb up we have is chamomile, which chamomile is great for relaxing. It helps relax you. It helps you fall asleep. It helps reduce pain. Is a mild antidepressant and anti-anxiety. Next one up we have is catnip. Catnip is great for relaxing. It also prevents muscle contraction. Is a pain reliever. The last one we have is lavender. It's an anti-inflammatory. It helps with restlessness, nervousness, insomnia. It helps to reverse abdominal swelling, upset stomach.